guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel. I have no idea what's going on with my hair currently. We just got to All-Star Sports 4-hour stay during marathon weekend. Very excited. If you're not sure what marathon weekend is, that is Run Disney weekend. There are 4 Run Disney weekends throughout the entire season. Starts in November and then goes through April. I'm going to show you a brief overview of our room. It looks exactly like Pop Century. Unique about this room though is we have the Hello Disney little thingamabob. I haven't looked into this. I've seen that they like do it so we can say, hey Disney, start the magic. Okay, maybe. Oh, the microphone is off. There you go. Hey Disney, start the magic. So it's, whoa, see, it looks like an Alexa, but it's like Disney. I want one of these.
Hi,
for
I'm
home.
Margaret, and I'm excited to introduce you to our in-room interactive experience, Hey Disney. I'll show you some of the ways Hey Disney can help you experience more magic during your stay, plus some tips to help along the way. For starters, please review the important information about the device and the Hey Disney experience that is displayed on your smart speaker. The button on the top of the device should be red, which means it's muted.
Okay, we're just gonna turn that on. And then when we checked in, so my friends have already checked us in, but they gave us a cute little like gold medal for race weekend, which is just so nice. And then for the Hey Disney thing, they do have like a brochure about things that you can say to the Hey Disney, and it's kind of just like an Alexa, just a little fancy. So we do have 4 adults sleeping in this room today, so this bed will actually pull down, and then the regular bed is over there. Again, just like Pop Century, it has the fun photos up top. And then over here, you're going to find your little like beverage area. So this is just a beverage cooler. It's not considered a fridge, so just know that. And then you have your little coffee and your ice stations. And then over here, we just have more storage underneath. And then that is where your safe is located as well. And then you have 3 drawers. What's really unique about this room is it does still have the old like resort TV, which I am super pumped about, but it has Hey Disney, so that's like kind of just a little different. And then as we go into the bathroom, it is very, very similar. Just like all the other value resorts, you have your shelves up top, you have your larger shelf, you have some hanging area, an ironing board, shelves below. And I will say these rooms were recently renovated, and then in our shower we also have a bath, and we still have the H2O products. So these look a little dingy, but they're still rocking with H2O, and then a nice shower head. So these rooms have been recently renovated over the past couple of years, I would say, and they look great. All the value resorts are very, very similar. Art of Animation has a little bit of a fancier vibe just because they have more suites and themes to rooms, but overall, this is so this is what the bed looks like when it is fully pulled down. They have Huey, Louie, and Dewey. And then a light should turn on. Not sure why that's not working. There should be a light there. And then you also have room. This is your side table for each side of the bed as well. So I was able to find this light. There's like one master switch that I needed to switch on. But I am fully unpacked now. Jackson gets here tomorrow and he's only bringing his small suitcase, so he should be good. But I got all my stuff unpacked and I have my suitcases underneath the bed, which this is something I love about Disney. They allow that underbed storage, which is great. and we are ready to go to Disney Springs. Moving like a mad lady. I'm gonna show you something really quick though, because it's so cute. And I don't know what's going on with my hair. Okay, so when you stay at Valley Resort, you get a window. And so you can decorate it, and how freaking cute is that? I'm literally obsessed. The 13.1 is kind of like sketch, but the other things are cute, so we'll just go with it. All right, you guys, so it is our last morning here at All Star Sports. We actually had to end up staying an extra day because of some incoming weather at home. Now there's like incoming weather here and still at home, but we should be fine. We really did enjoy our stay. We were in the Hoops Hotel, which was like the basketball theme, and we were on floor 3, building 3, which honestly was great. We had a corner room. That is something you can like ask for or request. We did not. We just got those things, and it was very close to like the main lobby and all of the transportation options and things like that, which was super nice. So throughout All Star Sports, and I would say all value resorts plus Art of Animation, you are going to get a different theme of each section. So this little section here is just focused on tennis, which is really cute. So you have like Donald over there in the distance, and then we have Huey, Louie, and Dewey on the other side, but there's some kiddos over there, so I'll show you that in a bit. But it is really cute how they have the tennis rackets, and it's just very into theming and making it fun. The rooms are all the same, so the rooms aren't themed to the section, but just the outside area is. So in the distance over here, that is going to be All-Star Music. So the All-Star Value Resorts have sports, music, and movies, and they're all fairly close to each other. There is a tent over here that's not normally there, but the cheerleading and dance competitions are just in a couple of weeks, and so they are getting set up for that because All-Star Resorts are very, very popular for those events. So just know too that if you are ever coming, always check with your travel agent or anyone that can just let you know, like, hey, during this time there's going to be a lot of people there. The parks are fine, you're just gonna see them all over, but I wouldn't recommend staying at an All-Star Sports or just any of the All-Star resorts during those certain times, just because it is a lot busier. And then here's Huey, Dewey, and Louie looking cute as ever, playing baseball when they're supposed to be playing tennis. So here's the main lobby area, just right here with a food court where you can pick up your transportation, things like that. And now this is the football area, and then far down there is baseball. So this one is super, super popular. A lot of people, I feel like, end up staying in this area. It is really cool because up top they have all different sports teams in colleges. They have it in our area as well, so I think they probably have all of the schools just like spread throughout the entire resort. But in the middle here they have little X's and O's, and this is totally an open area, so if you have kiddos, they can come over here and run around. Even if you aren't in this section, we have the little basketball court area in ours, but it doesn't mean you can't walk over here and hang out or do anything in different sports sections if you're not staying in that direct one. So at the end of the football section, this is where you're going to find the baseball section, which is really cool. I really like the Coca-Cola cup up there. That's really funny. And you have a couple of the baseball buildings all around. You have some bathrooms over here because you have the pool that's in the middle, and we're gonna walk around just so you can get a good picture of Goofy, but this is the baseball section. Again, all of the rooms are the same. It's not themed to that sport, so while you might want to stay in a certain section, oh, you just noticed those bleachers up there, that's cute. You might want to stay in a certain section, but your room is not going to be themed to that certain sport. So if you have a family that loves baseball and you want to stay over here, you can, but just know this is one of the further buildings. So it is going to take you just a little bit longer, maybe just a couple of minutes. Oh, I see a St. Louis Cardinals pendant up there. So I would always recommend requesting one of the closer buildings just because it's going to be easier to get around. I just noticed they have like the fencing over there. That's really cute. So here is how this family decorated their window. I didn't see a ton of them this time. But it is something fun that people do, so just keep that in mind as you come to any of the value resorts that have like a window available to you. So all the value resorts don't have balconies, and so like your window is your only like option to the outside world besides your door, obviously. So All-Star Sports and all of the value resorts really do offer great value. That's why they're called value resorts for your stay. We love staying at value resorts just because of the price. Our price per night was about $133, so $133 for our week here, just for the fact that we had a annual pass holder discount that was offered. They do offer lots of discounts, so always check even after you book. You can always add a discount or change a discount if a better one has come out. So here's the main pool. So this is like the beachy area. They have the fun lifeguard stands as like the main focus, and then they have surfboards all the way down, and then the main pool, which isn't quite open yet this morning, but as you can see, it is going to rain today. It is right in the middle there. It is pretty big. You are not going to find a hot tub or a workout center here because it is a value resort. You do have to stay at a higher level resort for those two things. But this is the main pool area, and then that also is a bar area as well. So that is our grand tour. I think there might be one more building over there, but I'm not really sure. And I gotta head back to our room because we have to go catch our Uber or Lyft or whatever Jackson's ordering to head to the airport. But I will say this little Mickey guy is so cute. There were so many runners here this weekend just taking pictures by it. One person was actually like on top of it, putting their medals on Mickey's arms. Don't recommend doing that. But it was like a very popular thing for runners to come over and take their pictures by. But overall, we really do love staying at value resorts. I'm pretty sure this is my first time staying at All-Star Sports. We stayed at one of the value resorts a couple of years ago before a stay at Old Key West. I can't remember which one it is, but I'm really happy that they are renovating all of the All-Star Sports rooms now. If I believe all of them are done, possibly, but it is a great value for your money, especially when you can get like a really good discount. Rooms are small. We had 4 adults in our room, and it worked great. It is like a small area, and you do just have to know that going into it. But when you're looking to save money, or when you're just like looking to make Disney work for you, this is a great option. And then really quickly, here is our view of the hoops area. You have the whistle and then all the basketball hoops, and we even have the Huskers up there. Go Big Red. So I am zoomed out a bit, but here is a quick final overview of our room. Again, it is a smaller room because it is a value, but you do have the space underneath your beds that you can take advantage of as well. We have the little beverage cooler. You have your window. So if you're just coming with 2 adults or maybe just for a quick weekend and you know you're going to be spending a lot of time in the parks, this is a great option for you. Guess who forgot to do an outro? It's me. I'm the one who forgot to do an outro. But thank you so much for watching today's video of our All-Star Sports stay review of the entire resort. I know I mentioned this many times in the video, but we do like staying at value resorts, especially when you're on a budget or you just know you're not going to spend a lot of time in the parks, quick weekends, anything like that. Value resorts are a great option. But make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you've ever stayed in a value resort. Let me know in the comments down below which one your favorite is. But I hope you have a magical rest of your day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.